What's up, beautiful people? It's Courtney. Welcome back. Today I have my biggest restock ever, so I thought I would make a video. So as you're watching this, the restock is live, so make sure to go check it out. I'll link my shop down below. But I also wanted to let you guys know that I did create another YouTube channel called MySlimeShack. If you like slime videos and ASMR, definitely make sure to go follow it. I'll also link that down below for you guys as well. So let's get started. So of course, a lot of the slimes this week are centered around Easter. So this first one is called Sugar Baby, and it is like a sizzly slime, and it comes with one of those little charms on top. It'll just be a random one, and it is a really pretty light purple color, and it's scented like snickerdoodle. It smells amazing, and so it has a really nice thick texture. The fake snow in it makes it really crunchy and sizzly, so it has a really awesome texture. Next is Easter Basket, which is a foam, and it has a really pretty pale yellow base to it and tons of pastel colored foam beads. So this one smells really nice and airy. It smells like candy. It smells sweet and good, but not too overpowering. And all the little foam beads in it kind of remind me of eggs in an Easter basket, hence the name. So this one is really crunchy and just really satisfying. Next we have bunny ears, which is a beautiful pale pink color, and this is a butter slime. It has a very thick texture and still makes great poking noises and bubbles. So I love this one. It came out amazing, and it smells almost like a pink starburst. It smells amazing. This is probably one of my favorite scents that I have. And also, as I mentioned, all these slimes are available right now in my slime shop. They're all super limited edition, so if you're interested, definitely make sure to get your hands on them. We have a clear base slime, and this is called Spring Has Sprung, and it is a really pretty pale pink color. It has a lot of glitters in it that really reflect off the light. You could kind of see it on camera, but it's beautiful. It has some fishbowl beads in it and also some little extra flowers and stuff like that in it. So this one smells really fresh, flowery / fruity, and really good. It hasn't completely cleared up yet for this video, but by the time you get it, it will be all clear and ready to play with. I love this one for poking and for like all kinds of popping noises. This next one is called Easter Skies, and it's probably one of my favorite slimes from this restock. It's an avalanche slime with some beautiful purplish black glitters that give off such a pretty color in the light, and also some larger glitters as well. And this won't be assembled until it actually gets shipped out. That way it won't mix together too much. Hopefully during shipment it will mix together a little bit as to be expected, but hopefully it will be the perfect avalanche consistency once it gets to you. This one is unscented, but it's great for poking and popping noises, and I just love the color combination. It's really pretty, and it mixes into a pretty milky light blue color. Next we have Fairy Dust, which is a jelly cube slime. This is probably one of my favorite jelly cubes we offer. It has a really pretty scent to it called Juniper Breeze. It smells amazing, it's fresh and floral. And so this one is a jelly cube. It has some rose gold leaf mixed into it, as well as a bunch of different glitters. So it's just a really pretty pale pink color. I love this one. I'm obsessed with it. Next is Strawberry Patch, which is hands down our best seller. It goes like crazy. It smells like the best strawberry you have probably ever smelled. It has an amazing but not too overpowering strawberry scent. It's also a jelly cube and it has some black glitters to look like strawberry seeds. To go along with the last one, we have Watermelon Patch, which is also another bestseller from us. And this one is just a watermelon version, just like the last one, a watermelon jelly cube that also smells amazing, smells just like watermelon. And yeah, so this is another jelly cube. It's super stretchy, super popping, and I love this one as well. Next we have Sunkist Orange that smells just like the name. It smells really light and fruity, kind of like a tangerine or orange. And it has a really pretty like yellowish orange base to it, and it has some micro foam beads and some regular foam beads. So that is this one, and it's just really stretchy and glossy, and it is great for popping bubbles and stuff. It has a really like fun light texture to it. Last but not least, we have Chewed Up Bubblegum, which I became obsessed with all over again after filming this video because it is literally so crunchy. If you want a crunchy slime, this is the one you want to go for because it is, I was just like amazed. You'll hear in a second, but it's a really thick texture and it's just so noisy. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you want to see more Restock videos in the future. And I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.